I am nothing of unstable, unbecoming, unsound mind. I am just unforgiving, unyielding, and unbowed. And then, to the Filipino people, sa lahat ng aking mga kababayan, hindi tayo uusad kung puro korupsyon, politika, at pang-aatake ang gagawin ng gobyerno. Ang ginagawa ng gobyerno, they silence people, talk about the truth, the harsh truth. Kaya dapat ay kung i-demand nyo sa gobyerno, magtrabaho kayo sa amin. Demand nyo yan sa amin, magtrabaho kayo. Para we see a better Philippines in the next year and in the years to come. As I said, I am nothing of unstable, unbecoming, unsound mind. I am just unforgiving, unyielding, and unbowed.
Okay. Thank you, Obit Media.
Thank you, ma'am.